Growing our own food in our home backyard. Must be everyone's dream, isn't it? That's the reason why we spread the happiness and awareness across the globe through our various WhatsApp and Telegram group, sharing our practically experienced inputs from natural gardening to natural living. Here, in our WhatsApp group, English, Ms. Jaysri, a 64-year-old retired housewife, impressive, highly impressive, I would say, shared her experiences growing her own food in her backyard, home villa backyard in Abu Dhabi. Uh, the most impressive part that the various methods she has implemented to grow her own food. As we all know, there are many ways in growing zero budget gardening, kitchen waste glory, all those stuff we have seen from various group members. This is one of the biggest mix of many. And what you are seeing here, the sample of the achievement what she has done. 2.25 meter, one of the longest snake guard produced by Miss Jaysri. Look at that! Look at the size, the way it goes. So impressive. Yes, highly impressive. So, she has shared so many photos, videos, means small clips in our group. Each and everything explained it beautifully, how she has done it, what are the ways she have adapted, and the beautiful experiences. What she said is water lily. This is Miss Jaysri. From start to end, how she propagating, all explained so beautifully. You will be seeing in that alone in the next small video, which all combined from the photos we shared in the group. As I said earlier, she adopts so many methods. Not it doesn't satisfied with one single thing. Okay, come on, kitchen home composting. No. I will try next time fish amino acid. Next time extra egg amino acid. And then menus, whatever the ways, because she tries to learn many stuff from the online university agriculture from Kerala. She's still attending online classes during her free time, even at the age of 64. And another impressive stuff which she informed in a group, at the age of 62, she got her first driving license at very first attempt itself. The main reason for doing that, to source the materials needed to grow vegetable and fruit in her backyard. This is the kind of interest she's having, and she's spreading that happiness very easily, to many people. Well, you are seeing here the stone bed, rice beds, all done by herself. That's DIY, do it yourself. You can see that the waste water can, used water can, milk can, all used here. The spinach varieties used in a used water can, grown in used water can. Mint grown from single cutting, and even the milk cans been used to grow mint in near the windowsill. So these are the different stuff she's trying. So I thought of explaining two complete thing which he explained. That is fish amino acid, egg amino acid. Then little bit stuff of the remaining stuff almost known to everyone. That is like menus, using menus, and trying of other stuff like this. All the harvest she has produced in her home backyard only. When the main stuff which I said, actually the fish amino acid, egg amino acid, so using as a foiler and basically if even applying in the sand as well as the spoiler spray. Now, how to prepare that? First we go with the fish amino acid. This all her own experience. So that's very important to understand, because somebody might be preparing it much lesser time. That's a different thing. But what we are trying to share here, her own experiences, how she explained it in the group, so that it is easy to understand for everyone. Okay, for the preparation of fish amino acid, you need two things, that is fresh sardines and jaggery. Basically 1 kg of sardine small size and 1 kg jaggery. Without washing and cleaning, cut sardine into small pieces. Crush the jaggery and add to it. Mix it well, thoroughly. You can use a basically food grade plastic jug for making it. Cover it tightly so that no insects get inside. Keep it in a dark space within 45 to 50 days. It will be done. Means ready. Strain it, and thick solution can be used as a foliage and soil application. Now, similar ways is preparing FAA. That's called fish. I mean, that is this is FAA. That is fish amino acid. EAA. That is egg amino acid. As per her, FAA will smell sweet, but not fold like a fish. So what she's saying, that fish amino acid will smell sweet, not like fold like a fish. That's the most important factor. For foliage, dilution is 2 ml. For soil application, dilution 5 ml in water. Basically, it's all this in 1 liter actually. That's what you're trying to say. It can be used as a repellent for the insects also. Just one of the pest repellent. That's the way he says. So going back to these are the harvests he produced from the home backyard. Going back to egg, preparing of egg amino acid. That is EAA. Again, you see that we need these are the 3 eggs, country chicken eggs, lemon for making juice, lemon juice. Then 1 cube of jaggery, that is eggs, 3 stuff needed, eggs, lemon juice and jaggery. Try to use the eggs directly without keeping it in the fridge. Take the lemon juice to dip this eggs fully in it. Use a shallow glass container, cover it tightly, keep it for 15 days. Then the outer shell of the egg will dissolve in lemon juice. This is basically calcium carbonate will dissolve in citric acid. The outer thin layer along with the white and yellow will remain, will remain as it is. Using a fork, break and squeeze it. Remove the thin layer, then crush the jaggery and mix it very well. With this solution, keep it for another 15 days. Now EAA, egg amino acid, is ready for use. Dilute again same way, dilute the solution in the water 2 ml and that is per liter. As the name refers, it's acid in both FAA, EAA. You need to be careful about the dilution because 2 ml solution for 1 liter water in the this is a 2, we informed it for foliage. For soil application 5 ml, 2 ml in 1 liter water for foliage and 5 ml in 1 liter for soil application. This is what she experienced it and did a marvelous, it gave a marvelous result to her. She advises to use neat and dry spoons to take it from the container. Always apply this early in the morning or late evening. Okay, so she is always recommending when you're using it, these are the steps to be followed because that's a good thing. Late in the evening or early in the morning. You can use FAA, basically fish amino acid, as a liquid fertilizer in sand and foliar spray for the vegetative, means basically for vegetative this thing. For growing vegetables is one of the best things, see that's what her says. For EAA, she advises to better to use as a foliar spray only. She got last year more than 40 kgs of bitter gourd from only 4 plants. Imagine what kind of harvest it could be. This is other things, in the rice bed using the wooden. She collects this wooden waste, what are the waste of used water can, plastics, anything, whatever the effective reuse of the waste. That's one of the best quality growing our own food because that promotes the zero budget gardening. That's not only that. She gets up early in the morning by 4 o'clock and finishes the maximum of her work by 7 in the morning. Then from 7 o'clock to this in maximum almost many hours spending in her home backyard to growing all these vegetables and fruits. Look at the way she that's DIY, do it yourself. These nets and trials all she sourced by herself. She has sourced and then did it many of the steps by herself. Even in her home front yard also she has done some vegetable growing, that is growing tomatoes and all. These are the stuffs is growing in pots, the stone bed, rice bed. You see that these are the wooden rice bed. And some of the time you will see that the stone rice bed, then thermocol beds. What is the thermocol? This is the big thermocol which in supermarket they bring fishes. So that is the throwaway stuff. He has taken it and converted as a growing medium, mainly for growing spinach varieties. So you'll see from start to end complete greenery, growing all the vegetable and fruits. As I said earlier, another one stuff which is using as a fertilizer car, um, what is it called? Asola, yeah. Asola seeds he brought from Kerala, and then started to develop more and more using growing in water in Abu Dhabi itself. Brinjal, tomatoes, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, many, they name it, so many vegetable fruits, all she has grown it so nicely. You will see that has such a lovely growth, lovely harvest you will be seeing in the coming photos. So all done in complete natural way. And that's what she says in expression in the group. So age is just a number. Our desire with the dedication makes everything possible. I would, not only I would, we would recommend highly, do not think anything, this will happen or not. Always have a desire, strong desire, dedication. That will definitely take, God will definitely make it easy for growing our own food in 100% natural way. Now, during this time, almost everyone is looking for what is even small way near the windowsill. Even if you don't have any space, no balcony, no other spaces there, near the windowsill you can grow some spinach varieties, mint, something stuff like, which is, if you, the happiness of using our own grown and naturally grown for vegetable and fruit means the happiness, that's, it's higher than mountain Everest actually. So try to grow more and try to grow own vegetable fruits. Of course, growing fancy flowers, but other stuff is important. But at the same time, your interest should be more towards the space effective utilization, more towards growing your own food. Look at the tomatoes, one single plant. How she has done it so beautifully. Then the thread, she made it such a way to give the proper support, and that is the amazing part. And everywhere, due to the good sufficient aeration and the good watering in the base with the natural fertilizer, it gives so much of fruits. That's what the care is more important, because just not just we plant it and then forget it. No, certain stuff like deep watering, then time to time soil regeneration, and giving a natural fertilizers, which can be given home composting, which can be done from home composting like menus, goat, cow, etc., or even that fish, that other stuff like fish amino acid, egg amino acid, what she uses, and then asola also is using as a fertilizer, because it is one of the best, easiest among the for cattle feed, as well as the can be used as a fertilizer also. So that's also is using here as a fertilizer, natural fertilizer for her plants. All see so beautifully done it. This is highly impressive. We will say this is remarkable stuff. Doing it alone with all this, the minute with the minute details, simply superb. Like this, she has done each and everything with so much attention and care. A highly impressive person. So this itself is enough to create an interest. Come on, this is the time to grow our own food, not not to think about too much again and again, whether we should come or not. No, just to start trying it, things will happen. That's the power of nature. Is so simple. If you may give a small little care, it will give you more and more reward. So this is it. You will see coming under photos and videos of her harvest and coming and the photos. See, look at them. These are the so impressive harvest, isn't it? Twins. Bottle gourd, round shaped bottle gourds. So like that it goes, list goes. This is a bit of complete setup of her garden, backyard garden. You can see that the long view. You must be seeing the water cans, used water cans, and even that pots, thermocoals, and then wooden pieces, like all various things. All he has done to grow. These are the grow bags in the home front yard. It's in Abu Dhabi. So these are the stuffs. She used every bit of it. Tried many things. So big royal salute to her for making all this in even the age of the 64. So we should take it as a big example to go. These are the crushed neem leaves. She collecting it all this thing, and then even in a small onion taken in a basket, keeping in a cutting top portion, keeping in a water just like the bottom portion a little bit. Then when roots started to, after 5 to 6 days, roots started to develop, so you can transfer to even in the thermocol this thing, the filling with the sand. Then these are the ways also you can grow green onions. You can keep on harvest green onions. Just every week you can harvest and you start using cooking also. This so she tried many things. So wonderful. This is one of the big. Look at the spinach, the height. Really proud moment, isn't it? Thank you.
Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain come tumbling down. Pulling weeds, picking stones, we are made of dreams and bones. Feel the need to grow my own, for the time is close at hand. Grain for grain, sun and rain, find my way in nature's chain. Tune my body and my brain to the music of the land. Inch by inch, row by row, inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. Plant your rows straight and long, seasoned with a prayer and song. Mother Earth will make you strong if you give her love and care. There's an old crow watching hungrily from his perch on yonder tree. In my garden I'm as free as that feathered thief up there. Inch by inch, row by row, inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain come tumbling down. One more time, inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row,